Are you disinheriting a child and think a will plan is enough? If so, you might want to listen. I'm 𝗷𝘂𝗶𝘁𝗲 Law and estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are seeking assistance in either estate planning or probate administration following a passing, you can reach out to us for free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. And speaking of value, we are here to educate everyone for free. So please ask your questions and share so that we can together help some folks along the way. Okay, I just had this come up recently. I was speaking with a current client who's making a change to her estate plan, and she is chosen to disinherit one of her children. This happens fairly often, and family dynamics, things do occur, but her plan consists of a last will and testament as her core of her plan rather than a trust. So if you're in that circumstance, you do have to consider that now disinherited person, all right, as a child, will likely need to sign off if it is going to be a will plan going through the probate process. They will need to sign off on the person you have designated to be in charge. This means they will take a look at that last will and testament, which becomes public record and is accessible to them as an heir if the will didn't exist. And they could see that they've been disinherited and make a fuss about it. This is how a lot of estate litigation tends to occur. My suggestion to all families, whether or not you're going to avoid that circumstance within the court via the use of a trust, or even if you are going to use a trust to avoid that process and basically the sign off by the disinherited person, I would always suggest that parent have a handwritten letter in their records, preferably with your estate plan and maybe the counsel who's assisting you, indicating why you have elected to do so. I know that may be a little bit difficult, but it actually has proven to be quite useful to follow through with your wishes. I was deposed once in a case where I was the drafting attorney, and I had the prior client, who was then deceased, fill out such a letter or write a letter, and it was really the document that satisfied following through with her wishes as they were set. So if you are disinheriting a child, you may want to consider going a trust route so that they don't have to sign off on anything through the court process, and also providing a written statement as to why you have done so. All right. Hope that's helpful. Again, I'm 𝗷𝘂𝗶𝘁𝗲 Law. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services in the areas of estate planning and trust administration, probate trust administration. If you need our assistance, you can reach us for free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com for just New York and New Jersey at the moment. Again, hope you've learned something new. Please don't forget, share, and take care.